So what I will do, all right, what I will do is literally type install extensions. So you guys can do this as well. And then I'm going to simply click on the button install. Okay. So that was fast. That was crazy fast. And it seems that I have the binary ready already. So I'm probably good to go. I don't even know. All right, so let's just test this. I'm going to type here, return view, and I guess now it's the moment of truth. And I can see that I have already some auto-completion, really good auto-completion. So I would assume that if I go to resources, views, and I create something like stream.blade.php, I literally have that auto-completed right there. There we go, streaming and welcome view. This is so cool, man. Oh my god, finally some very good auto-completion, man. So excited about this. And this tells me that I have auto-completion, but also links directly to the blade view. So I assume that I can just over this, which I do, and I can just click on it to go directly to the view. This is pretty cool. So even if it's closed, nice! Nice! Oh my god. Warns when the view is not found. Okay, so if I type like blah, 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 view blah 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 not found. Wow. This is pretty cool stuff, man. This really looks dope, my friends. This really looks dope. What else do we have? We can create the view directly from the extension. Quick fix. Nice! I can click on create missing view and I can do hello stream, for example. What happens if I do this? Nice. So apparently, like, the validation deal also got massively improved. So what happens if I, I do something like validator? I would do something like request all. So what type of validation do I get? Oh, like all of them? So I can do required. What else can I do? Oh, I can do the bail. I can do the boolean as well. The string. How about the minimum as well? And I click on enter and autocompletes. Oh my god. So good. So what else do I have here? So this is literally like everything, right? Oh my god. This is really cool. Now, this is undeniably cool. All right, translation. So I never used translations on Laravel, so I have no idea what this is. But apparently it auto-completes like literally every single translation we have available on Laravel. So let's call this home, potentially. And let's create a new route here with a name. Figma is not a language. That route got named Figma is not a language. Okay, David. All right, so Figma is not a language. Can I use this? Let's see. So I'm gonna go to home controller and I'm gonna type route and I get Figma is not a language. So nice. Oh, wait a second. Can I click on it? That would be really cool. So when I click on the route, basically I get redirected to the place where the route is actually invoked. Interesting. Oh, we have .envs. We have .envs, my friends. We have .envs. Let's do that. So I'm gonna go to .env, and I'm gonna go all the way down, and I'm gonna type PHP is the best equals true. Do I have access to this? Let's see. Home controller, and I'm gonna just type env. Oh, there we go. All right. So PHP is the best is right here, and I can click on it to go to there. Nice. Nice. So basically we get auto-completion, and can I do stuff like, nice. Oh my god. Check this out. All right, PHP is the best. There we go. I was wondering if we have the actual value behind it. We do! So I can have like literally true over there. Oh my god. This is good. This is good. Come on, man. Let's clap for Joe and Laravel team for providing us this little gem. This is a nice one. So we literally have the value, the underlying value, on the .env thing. This is pretty cool. Configuration as well. Oh my god. Can I go here and just type something like is the best. All right, I'm going to do a very difficult example, okay? A very difficult example. I'm going to put the extension to the test right now. So Laravel is the best. And I'm going to use this PHP is the best. Okay. So Laravel is the best. And then inv PHP is the best. Do I get the value as well? Oh my god, that would be so dope. I do. Oh my god. And I get true instead of false. Oh my god. It's still a lot of stuff though. Oh, because it's literally like everything starting with the A. Okay. Logging, queues. Nice. All right. Container as well. What is this? Oh my god. Can I do something like... Wait a second. I want to do a real thing. Wait a second. So I'm going to go to my app service provider. And I'm going to register something. So I'm going to type app. Yeah, app bind Laravel is the best to... Yes, it is. Okay. So if I go to my home controller, can I now use that bind? Let's see. Laravel is the best. Yes, sir. And I can return that to this little thing right here. Never actually took the time to understand why, but yeah. So if I type return app, I have literally auto-completion for everything, including the binds that I'm giving to Laravel, which is pretty exciting. Yeah, man, very cool stuff right here. And apparently in the future, they are not done yet. So they want to integrate with the VS Test Runner. So I believe that we have like some past stuff here. And they want to, you know, have some features here. You know what I mean? On the past stuff. Livewire support as well. Volt support as well. Pint support. So I feel like Pint support will be something like, you know, fix this file like immediately, like on the button or something like that. But very cool stuff. Bad auto-completion, linking over in diagnostics over in blade files. Okay, so it will not apparently style the blade stuff, but it will basically give you diagnostics, which is very cool.